Hi guys, this is a slightly different video to what I would normally do because I just wanted to hop on here and say two things really. Firstly, I want to say a massive, massive thank you to all of you who have subscribed to this channel, to anybody who has watched my videos, liked, commented, shared any of my videos. I do really, really appreciate your support and it does mean a lot to me. So thank you so much for that. Secondly, and this might be a bit of a mistake telling you this, but I'm upping my game next year. So what I mean by that is I want to publish more videos and not just my usual tutorials either. I want to share my own experiences as a small business owner. So I've been a sole trader now since 2010. So I've learned so many things about administration, the do's and don'ts, what works, what doesn't, etc. And I want to share them with you guys. I want to be able to help you improve your own admin systems and processes in your own small business. But I need to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below where you struggle with your admin in your business. Let me know what you want to see happening on this channel in the future. And please don't say close it down. Let me know the kind of tutorials and guides that you want me to publish so that I can help you more with your own administration. I want to publish videos that I know are going to help you in your small business, and they need to be relevant to you. So that's what I'm planning to do. If you haven't already subscribed, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and then you'll be kept up to date with everything that's happening on this channel. Again, thanks so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. Stay safe and have an amazing Christmas break. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, then just have an amazing break. Take care and bye for now.